Okay.
Yeah, and I'll be home working.
Okay. Makes
Yeah.
sense. Okay, guys, today is vlog day. I'm hoping I'm not gonna suck at this because I am so I'm super hot. It's so hot right here. So I'm gonna try and do this. I'm gonna vlog. We're going around the farms just to check out what happens around the area, what's the vibe like, and yeah, we're gonna see if we're gonna get some activities around the farm so that at least I can show you something, activity, something that happens around the farms. But anyway, this is me checking out and leaving the farm. As you can see with the background, this is the farm. As you can see, there's not even like a single cloud up there. It's gonna be scorching hot today. But anyway, we're gonna do this. Trying to vlog and trying to do so many things along the way. So I hope I'm gonna do this well. But the last time I took a walk around the farms, it was really like a vibe. It was on a Sunday. The weather was perfect. I think it was around 3ish, 4ish. Now it's actually around 1. So I hope it's not gonna be so hot. Wish me luck. Trying out this KFC wrap. I actually think the Nando's wrap is the best, guys. But I like how it's crunchy. It's very crunchy, very meaty, if I may say. But Nando's has the best. So I'm gonna try out a milkshake. I rarely do milkshakes, funny enough. So I'm gonna try out a milkshake. I actually love how calming it is here. So which one did I order? I'm going to try out something different. I rarely get milkshakes. I'm gonna try out this one. Yeah, I wanted this one, but then the waitress said it's not a good choice, so I've actually selected this one. Hopefully it's a good one as well, because I hate ordering stuff that I don't like. So let's see. Oh, finally got my milkshake. I hope it's as nice as it looks. It looks good. Hopefully it's nice. What I actually like is the fact that um, it's still quite on the quiet side, but at the same time it's still convenient. It's close to some main shopping centers, one of them being the Broadacres shopping center is quite close to this place. What's also close to this place is Four Ways. Dane Fan is also quite close. So yeah, it's actually quite convenient. Look at how big these spaces are. I'm glad I took a walk because now I can actually see everything. These are some of the things that you don't even see when you're driving past or if you're in an Uber. But yeah, when you're taking a walk, you notice everything. This is actually my favorite spot, guys, because of this water. I love water. Anywhere where there's water, I totally love it. Of course, some people actually mess it up and they put rubbish in the river and then it ends up on the other side. But this is actually not bad. Close to nature. I'm gonna check out the other side. Guys, this neighborhood is so quiet. Of course, there's a lot of traffic. I
forgive every word you say. Ooh, and I didn't wanna leave you. I didn't wanna fight. Started to cry, but then remembered I can buy myself flowers and buy my name in the sand. Talk to myself for hours, saying you don't understand.
Hey guys, so I'm actually en route to Centurion right now. I'm going to use the How train because it's quite faster. So yeah, right now at the Centurion How train station, en route to Centurion. As you can see, got my stuff here and I'm in shorts because it's really hot. Temperatures are really high. So yeah, let's see how the day goes. Some of the views that you get to see once you're on board the cow train. Yeah, en route to Centurion. As soon as I got to Centurion, I hit up my good friend Becky to pick me up. He didn't even take time, even though he was apologizing. He was like, sorry, I took time. He didn't take time at all. It's like a good 10-minute drive to get to his place. And yeah, we got there, got to swim. The water splash! It has to splash. Otherwise, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Yes, nothing.
Give me abundance, sacrifice. I would have done less with my whole life. You and I were no one flesh, living through the vibes. Night and toya. Kung abon na God, musag do sa one. Heaven is around. Tell me to young. Devil is alive. Nangangin na Japan. Kissing all the day.
This water is so cool. It's such a beautiful day in Centurion, guys. Just check out the weather. And this neighborhood is super quiet. I slept like a baby. Thanks to the host. Becky's the host. Becky's the host. Yeah, this was lovely. Like last night was super cool. Especially after the whole swim and all. Oh, so this is where Angie stays. Your friend. This is so cool. Oh, is she there? Oh, she goes to church. Okay, boys in shorts because it's hot. It's super hot. So what do you usually do on a Sunday? Yeah. Do you guys go out? That's cool. It's very quiet. I can imagining I'm imagining myself waking up at
In your prime.
at 6, right? And then do my run. This is so cool. It kind of reminds me of some place we've stayed. I can't remember. Oh, Randpark Ridge. It's got the vibe. Homestead vibes, exactly. besides Angie, who else do you know in this hotel?
My friend, my former.
Oh, he's staying here. Oh, shit. Really? Angle or whatever.
Friend is like weird.
Friend, I'm weird. I don't forget people. Like, so, like my visual memory is so good. I will remember the weirdest things. So which area is this?
This is not Reeds.
Okay, this whole area is the Reeds.
Yeah, I won't take you there.
Why won't you take me there?
Very quiet.
Oh, is it chilled? Okay.
Chill, very
I was waiting. I wanted to record this. So what is this place again?
Carlsbad.
Carlsbad. Okay. Do you always come here? It looks quiet.
I usually go via Centurion. Centurion has like nice places.
Cute
They're
places.
Very, very premium. Not premium in a way of the cost and whatever. Premium.
Okay, so we are at this cute place at Cotswold. Even there, it's all good. Thank you. Yo.
Okay. I think we're good here. We'll get some. Yeah. No, we'll not do buffet. We'll do. No, because you said it's 110 per person, right?
Yeah.
And the most expensive is 125. So we're good.
Oh. Yeah.
Die. Okay.
That was the funniest thing ever.
Another tea, so that you don't post it, just talk about it.
Really?
How do I pay for
But
it?
were you ever gonna post it though?
I just want to shut your
Someone
mouth.
is looking for a...
No.
Ah,
I wanna
okay.
shut your
You
mouth.
come through for.
Because I'm good at paying. I'm good at paying. I pay for people's silence. So how much? For you to not say anything.
Up to you. How much normally to pay for
I,
people not to say?
well, I
This is interesting.
We can start with 10 rands. And
That's
you,
the
you
lowest.
say, no, 10 rands is...
Thank you for the breakfast, my friend. Yay! No, I feel like this is like the CBD of Midrand.
Yes.
Yes,